every single second right now. And, like, as soon as I met her, I felt good. I felt like I'd be with her, like, we'd be in my room, or we'd be chilling here, and, like, everything, like, nothing matters. My taxes don't matter. Fucking the FaZe house shit don't matter. Like, none matter. Like, that's it. And she's gone. Like, her parents forced her away because I don't even know what they saw. Maybe they saw me smoking weed. Because that last year of me doing all that shit, I was after I lost her. Because I was upset. But, like, what the fuck happened? I don't get it. Literally don't get it. I'm not a walk on my park kind of guy anyway, baby. Come on. I'm not faded right now. I'm just tired, bro. I've been fucking not sleeping. I've been sad, bro. You know how hard it is to sleep when you're sad? And you're just thinking? And you're just defeated? But y'all want to always assume. Always assume. You know how dumb that makes you look when you assume? I know it can make Drip Gang bigger than anything. I know it can. You guys the best. You guys the realest, bro. I got the best fan base. I know that. But I can't do it, bro. I don't know if I can get a spot out here. I'm going to go live with Allie for a little bit. After my lease done here, I'm driving up to her crib with Sam. We're going to go up to Allie's crib, like Allie Lottie. Stay with her for a couple days. I'm come back here and then grab my stuff when my lease is done. Actually, no, I'm just gonna sit there for tonight, hang out. I'm gonna come back, and then and then stressed, bro. I'm just stressed. I feel like I'm getting a heart attack every day. Like, I don't deserve this shit, bro. I treated that girl so good. So good.